it's for the first time I'm holding a rabbit and I'm seeing that the rabbit is really very comfortable with me.
Correct.
Like it's my own kid.
Ah,
You know, I am trying to feel the heartbeat and the rabbit is trying to feel my heartbeat. It's so very close. I'm really very happy. I'm feeling so very good that yeah, this is something new for me.
correct.
Nice experience.
Yes. So, would you recommend the rabbit therapy for?
I will definitely recommend, but then I need to get into it a bit more.
Correct.
Probably spending some more time. I'll be more comfortable with the rabbit.
Yes, I'll parcel these rabbits and send them to you.
Certainly.
Yeah, but so Sammy, how did you like this experience?
I'm a little scared. So, you know, he is actually the brave type. So I thought first let him have a feel of it. But looking at the rabbit with him is only giving me the happiness. And
Correct.
I can feel that the rabbit is actually trying to smell him
And
and trying to find like who is this new person. And see, if you can see, the rabbit is actually sleeping.
Sleeping, yes. My God, it's a male rabbit, this one. And literally, I feel, you know, very,
Like I have only seen a rabbit like in the zoo. I've never touched it. Or maybe when I was
a child,
7 years old, I had gone to the zoo and then they had taken us inside the cage, and that time I had just touched it. But I had never seen a rabbit from so close.
Yeah.
One thing is for sure, once we have our own house in Pune, we will have a pair of rabbits.
Correct. Pair will become, yes, pair will become 455. Yes, yes. Tell me, yes, he's the main papa rabbit.